Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and use it with any other SIM card other than the carrier from where you purchased the smartphone. So if you have purchased the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 with a contract, then you might be knowing that you cannot use any SIM card with the Note 20 because this is attached to the carrier from where you purchased the smartphone. So why unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 20? Now unlocking has a lot of benefits. First is that you can try a different SIM card if your network is having issue. You can try out different network. Then if you're a person who travels a lot, you can actually get better coverage and better data speeds when you're using other network SIM cards. Then third reason is when you sell your smartphone, you get better resale value with unlocked smartphone. So these are few reasons why you should consider unlocking your Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Now to unlock, we are partnered with the unlockingcompany.com. So the unlockingcompany.com is one of the pioneers in this service. They are very reliable and effective and does the unlocking pretty quickly. So in order to unlock your smartphone, all you need to do is visit the unlockingcompany.com. The description has the link to the website, or you can just type on your browser the unlockingcompany.com, and once you open the browser, you can see this is how the unlockingcompany.com web page looks like. You can see unlock your phone for any provider you want. This is one of the really useful features. So you can see here with 100% money back guarantee, you can have the unlocking process. So here you need to select the manufacturer. So first we're going to select Samsung, since we are going to unlock Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and next you need to select the model. So select Note 20 from this list. So this list has all the Samsung and phones. So you can see here Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Now click on the unlock button. So in the next process, you need to enter a few details. First is the country from where you purchase a smartphone. So this is very important. You need to select the country and the carrier from where you purchase a smartphone. So here for demo purpose, we'll select United States, and then select the carrier. We'll just select the carrier as AT&T. But remember, you need to select the country from where you purchase the device and the carrier properly. Then only you will get the unlock code. Then click next. So in the next step, you can see that average competitor pricing is around $60, 59.99 USD, and unlockingcompany.com provides you this service at 44.99 USD. That's almost $15 savings. So now you have to enter your phone's IMEI number, your name, full name, and delivery email. So we'll just show you how to get the IMEI number on your phone. So select the dialer app and click *#06#, and you can see the IMEI number of your smartphone. So just copy this IMEI number, and what you need to do is just enter the IMEI number in the box provided. Then you enter the full name, and you type the delivery email as well. And in the final step, you can see that unlock purchase is 44.99 USD, and you need to make the payment via credit card. So you can just make the payment, and once the payment is done, you will get an email with the unlock code. So we'll just show you how to proceed after that. So now we have the SIM card in this tray, and then now what we are going to do is remove the SIM card. So you have the SIM ejector pin in your smartphone. So just remove this SIM. So there you go. So we just removed the SIM, and now what you need to do is just enter your new SIM card which you want to try after unlocking a smartphone. So just try the new SIM card. Just place the SIM card in the tray and push it back into the tray. Now what you need to do is just boot your smartphone. Now when you boot your smartphone, it will ask the SIM network unlock pin, and this is the pin which you get through email from the unlockingcompany.com. So just enter the pin here, network unlock pin, and click on the unlock button. So now you get the message that network unlock is successful and you have successfully unlocked your smartphone. Now we can use this device with any SIM card across the globe, and you don't have to worry about your phone being locked to a particular carrier. So this is very useful process and very hassle-free process. The unlockingcompany.com is pioneers in this service, and they provide a hassle-free service, and they are reliable, and they provide a money-back guarantee as well. So that is the unlock process of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.